Hi everybody, my name is Sonja Milsom. I am an Epicure consultant and our business kit changed just a couple of weeks ago and I have a new business kit here that I'm so excited to open and see what is inside. First of all, I love that this is the packaging that comes, right? You open the box, welcome to the Good Food Real Fast movement, because that's what this is. This is about having good food real fast for you, for your family, and to share with those that you care about and love, and to share with other people to do the same thing for their family. So packing slips, always good. Know what's inside. That's a happiness thing. Get rid of the packing paper. Make sure it comes safe. Okay, first of all, favorite multi-purpose steamer comes in this business kit. I just heard a consultant refer to this the other day as her magic purple box, and that is exactly what this is. The magic purple box, our multi-purpose steamer, comes in this business kit with the insert. Oh my goodness, so many great things that can be made with that. So super excited for that. We have cutting boards, have to have some of those. Okay, you guys know how much I love my aprons. So a nice new apron to protect your beautiful clothes. Our cruette, yes, a cruette, and somewhere along here, probably the funnel the funnel to make our dressing sets. Grip and grabs, I love this thing, grip and grab. Citrus press, 2-in-1 citrus press to, I don't know, I think the most I've used it for is like every night to make the coolest summer drinks for this time of the year. Our prep bowls, I use them every single day. Great little purple silicone lids that seal that in and makes for great storage and great prep opportunities. I'm gonna open a couple of these boxes and see what else is inside. Oh, let's see. Good Asian Real Fast. So this is our Good Asian Real Fast set. It comes with our miso broth and the sesame and ginger and the chipotle and the Asian stir fry. And it comes with the cards that go with it to tell us some great recipes to make with it. Also tucked in here is the summer berry. Oh my goodness, I love this stuff. Summer berry is definitely that, and the citrus press, how I make all my drinks right now. Our 4-in-1 spice spoon, super helpful in the kitchen. Oh, this is what we have to keep hidden. Our Prep Pro paring knife. Let's see, how's that open? Right, like that. Prep Pro paring knife is amazing. Ceramic blade, cuts through everything beautifully. We also have our Mexican kit in here. And with all the great seasonings and sort of guacamole, nacho cheese, pico picante, and our fajita and recipe cards for that. Our awesome cutting mats. And in here we have a whole collection of our easy breezy meal packages. General Tso, beef stroganoff, mac and cheese, cha-cha chili, sweet and sour, buttered chicken, and of course our our chocolate instant pudding. We have some catalogs so that you can share, and there's some business paperwork in here, things to do. Anyway, look at this. This is crazy. It's covering the table. So much awesome stuff in our business kit, but it is really just all about giving you the opportunity to have some great products from Epicure to share with your family and with your friends and with your clients to make good food real fast. Thanks so much. Bye.